In this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to find dropshipping supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Tower or Pinduoduo or ID Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation business using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to find dropshipping suppliers on 1688 with free shipping. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you click on here, open up your 1688 shopping app. Then having opened up your 1688 shopping app, for you to find dropshipping supplier, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. These are all dropshipping supplier with free shipping. So click on that section. All right, so it's going to take you to this particular page, okay? From the top here, this simply means that all items will be shipped out from supplier store to your dropshipping warehouse in China. Okay, and if you scroll down right here, you can see more items, or better still, simply click on. So to search for dropshipping supplier, you can simply scroll down right here, and the more you scroll down, the more the item will load up. All the supplier right here accept and support dropshipping. Or better still, you can simply click on here to browse by category. So I'm going to click on that. So right here, you have different items with different category that all the supplier are actually support dropshipping on 1688. Okay. So for us to understand what is written right here, maybe in English language or whatever language of our choice. So what I'm going to do here is to simply make a screenshot of the page. Then having make a screenshot of the page, then I will head over to my Chrome browser and I'm going to make use of Google Lens, then upload the image. So we have it translate right here. So we have men's, we have accessory, bag and leather goods, and the like. So we can simply click on any of the link right here, and it's going to load up with all different supplier in that category. Let's for instance, we want to get bags and leather goods. So let's go back to my 1688 shopping app. So right here, this is bags and leather goods right here. So I'm going to simply click on that. Then it's going to load up all bags and leather shoes supplier that are support dropshipping item. Let's for instance, we want to contact this supplier right here. What I need to do is to simply click on the supplier link. Then it takes us to this particular sales page. So this is a latest bag right here. Okay. Then we can also simply translate this particular page here for us to understand more better. Now, for you to know if an item has been supported by dropshipping on 1688, you are going to see some of the stuff like this. Now, we can also simply scroll down and read detail about the item, and we can simply screenshot this page also for a better understanding of the language. So I'm going back to my Google Lens right here. Then I'll look for the screenshot. Boom. So everything has been fully translated. Now, right here, we can simply zoom out. So we have place an order on behalf of shipping, quick distribution. You can simply read and everything about it right here. What you need to do is to simply come back to the 1688 shopping app. And so we can simply scroll down right here and see more graphics detail about the item on the sales page right here. Okay. Now, if you are satisfied and ready to dropship this item, first thing first, you need to contact the supplier. And for you to contact the supplier, you simply click on here and then you start chatting them in a very few seconds. Now, for you to know if an item has been supported by a dropshipping store from a particular store, what you need to do is to simply click on here. Then it takes you to this particular page. So right here, you can dropship for Taobao, TikTok, and WeChat, Amazon, Shopify, and Shopee. These are all places that you can dropship this particular item. So I'm going to close this tab, and you can imagine a new item that has been sold over 3,000 plus in the past. and then you can easily click on here to read review of all the previous buyer from this particular store. And for you to contact the supplier, it's as simple as clicking on here, and it takes you to their chat box. You start having business conversation with them. If you want to get their contact, it's still the same process. Click on that, then you get their contact. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to find dropshipping supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure your link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idle Fish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.